Hello, my name is Elizabeth Hernandez, and today I'll be discussing my value for being independent. We all know that at some point in our lives we have to be independent. It can either start at an early young age or once you're older. But I'm sure at some point we all had to learn when, or we knew when it all started. Today I will be talking about the importance of being independent. I will speak on this value based on my personal experiences. I'll be dis- I'll be discussing what it means to be independent, how it can increase your self value, self esteem, confidence, and the sense of accomplishment. What is it? What really is it? What really is independence? First, what does it mean to be independent? This definition I got off of Google saying to not be influenced or controlled by others in matter of opinion, conduct, etc. So, to put in simpler words, thinking or acting for oneself. For example, I have had many situations where I had to become independent, either my social life, as in maybe to get a job, school, to become a leader, and relationships, so for any type of relationships as well. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that has had to go through all this. I'm sure others have too. While learning to be independent, I learned that I learned I learned when to use it and when I needed it, and it also helped me to stop depending on others for my situations. Now that I've talked about what independence is, I'll discuss how it can increase your self-value, self-esteem. Second, being independent can increase your confidence. Independence causes you to make choices and take actions based on what you think is best for you. For example, over the past years, how I explained before, I learned how to be independent, meaning I learned how to put myself first, especially with mental health. It bettered me and led me to make better decisions for myself without others' opinions. By mentally being better, it helps you look at yourself better, and with that energy, others will even tend to see you that same way. Now that I explained how it can increase your confidence, I'll discuss the sense of accomplishment, how it makes you feel. Lastly, the sense of accomplishment is usually feelings, like a type of feeling that you get. The feeling you get when finishing or achieving something is way better, especially knowing you did it all by yourself. You went through all that hard work without anyone else. For example, one year I had this big final project coming up. And initially, it was a group project or like a partner project. But unfortunately, my partner was out for a whole week and I still had to present it by myself. At first, I didn't think I would be able to do it, but I actually ended up doing it and I finished it on time, which means I even got a perfect score on it. I ended up getting a perfect score, which actually made me really happy because I did double the work and time and still got to pass the class as well, which was a bonus. In conclusion, or to conclude, I have shared the importance of independence. Independence is something that will teach you to value yourself and how much you can actually accomplish by yourself. Not meaning you always have to be independent, because that's honestly something for you to think about or like for you to choose to do. So lastly, I will leave off with the quote by Socrates, a classic Greek philosopher. To find yourself, think for yourself. Thank you.